Today I am going to draw the Naruto character in the manga style. As you have seen that I have drawn the many characters and I will draw directly with pen. As you know, as anybody who come to my life has seen me drawn directly with pen. So I am drawing this character. The reference is taken from the Pinterest, and now I am going to start the drawing with the help of pen. I will draw with the I will start the drawing with the hair, and as you can see, the hair is just likely to begin as I have drawn the hair as shown in the reference pic, and it is like the mountain like structure, but here comes the band where where the logo of Naruto is there, and it's getting me difficult to draw, but I try to draw it as nearly as possible. But if anything goes wrong, then I apologize to that. And as you can see, I have drawn the logo, and the headband is divided into three parts as per the reference. So I will also divide this headband into the three part, and as you can see, I am doing the shading along with it. And now I will start to draw the face, as the face is just like any other anime character, but the feature of eyes are different. So when I will go to that section, you will see. And here I am taking my time and drawing the head, as the head is the kind of straight three-quarter looking at us from an angle. So I make that, and here I am directly drawing with the pen, and here I am giving the jacket which he is wearing. And as you can see, I given some kind of shading to it, and with the help of a scale I make the sword, the katana. As you can see, the katana is there, and it's he uses various kind of weapons and his breed technique, but I don't know much, so I just following the reference. And as you can see, I am making the nose, as the nose is just the line or the structure, and here I am making the eyes. And the eyes are important as one eye is closed and has the stream of patches, and the other eyes is open and it has got kind of the round shape or the chakra. So I am making that, as you can see. And I will also zoom that out so you can see it properly. And here I am giving some kind of shades, and if you want to know more about how I draw, then you can come to my live. I do the live also, where I draw the character according to your recommendations, and I also do the